back to my channel. My name is meribahMUA. Please click that subscribe button below today and also comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And we're going to get started on a no foundation makeup tutorial. So as you can see, I have a very even complexion, a little bit of definition here on my face. But I did not use foundation. So for anybody out there who likes wearing makeup but you don't want something super cakey, I think that this is something that you would really like to try out. And I think that you'll be pretty happy to know that it feels very lightweight, and it also gives you a good full coverage. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this tutorial. Starting off, we are using the Cover FX Mattifying Primer, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows with the Benefit Precisely Eyebrow Pencil. I'm going to set them with the NYX Setting Gel, and then I will carve them out with the MAC Cosmetics Concealer. To deepen up the tail of the eyebrow, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Caramel. Using an artiste brush, I'm going to blend this out. Using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Medium Bisque, I'm going to contour my face. With the Artiste blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. Now I'm taking the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. With a damp beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. With the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. Now with a fluffy brush here, I'm going to bronze my face with the Tantric Omega Bronzer. With the Nars Peaches blush. I'm gonna warm up my cheeks. For highlight, I'm using the Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pot. Now that I have all my powders on, I'm going to take the Makeup Fixing Mist by Pixi. I'm going to spray my entire face. I'm just blotting where I just sprayed that setting powder, make sure everything sets evenly. Moving on to eyes, I'm taking the Anastasia Master Palette by Mario. And for all over the lid, I'm just going to get on the shade Hollywood. I'm going to take that shade underneath the eye as well. In the crease, I'm going to take this darker taupe shade, Lula. The blank blending brush, I'm just going to buff this out a little more. For underneath my brow, I'm taking this shade Marina. I'm going to carve out my brow line. Next, I'm taking the Stila Magnificent Metals. This is in the shade Smoldering Sun. And I'm going to apply that onto the lid of my eyelid. Next, underneath the eye in the corner, I'm taking this dark shade here, Violetta. Today I'm using the Sephora Lashes in Flirt and the Lancome Mascara. I'm taking a black eyeliner and I'm just going to buff this in the top of my lash line. I'm taking the MAC Cosmetics lip liner. This is in the shade Whirl. And then I'm using the Sephora lip gloss over. This is the Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel. And this is in the Perfect Nude shade. And now I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter spray and I'm going to mist this all over my face to set my makeup. Alright you guys, that completes the final look here for a quick, no foundation, full coverage, glam, go-to, running errands, whatever the fuck you're doing. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please leave a comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are on this coverage. I think it's beautiful, I love this, it feels way lighter on your face. So yeah, I hope you give this a go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.